my channel. Until last video, we have completed our NumPy arrays, and today I want to show you something to perform all mathematical functions for integers, decimals as well as complex numbers. For integers and decimals we use math module, and for complex numbers we use cmath. Okay, so before going directly into math and cmath functions, I want to show you something. But we have created numbers, we have created integers, decimals as well as we have created complex numbers using our normal declaration of variables, right? But we don't know how to create infinity. So to create infinity, I'll define a variable named infinity is equals to, is just a single line work within float function, give I and f string. Okay, in this way you can create infinity variable in Python. Now I'll print my value. Let us see what it returns. Yeah, it has returned infinity, right? Now if you want to create minus infinity, just add a minus sign before the float function. In this way you can create negative of your infinity value. This can be done through even math function, and we also have decimal module in Python, which we shall discuss in later videos. But just for creating infinity, it's not, you need not explicitly import math module or decimal module, but they also serve other different purposes. So let us see what are they. In this video I'll show you only some functions used in math and cmath module. It's not possible to show you all functions in just a single video, but I'll throw all the functions in description box. It's your assignment to go through all them and practice them. Okay, firstly remember that we cannot use math module without importing it. So I have imported my math module through a statement import math, and you need not explicitly install it as we install NumPy. Okay, now I have imported my math module. I'll define a variable num is equals to, I'll have just any variable. I have 17. Now I'll use my math function and print the cos value of 17. math.cos of num. Now I'll run this program. Yeah, it has returned cos of 17. In the similar way, you can find the sine, tan values of your any required variable. But you can also have inverse and hyperbolic functions in math module. I have specified a here before cos, which specifies arc cosine of num, which is inverse of cosine of num. Okay, sorry, it has returned some error. It has returned math domain error, that is, it returned a value error. That is, we should not have values more than 1 for arc cosine or arc sine or any inverse functions. Okay, you can just have values between -1 and 1. So this time I'll have some 0.33 here. I'll run the program again. Yeah, it has returned some value, right? It hasn't returned any error as it has returned before. So in the same way you can also use hyperbolic functions. I'll just run it for your sake. Yeah, it has returned some value. You can do the same for sine and tan and for any values. And also remember that you cannot have values greater than 1. You can have values only between -1 and 1 for arc value. I mean for inverse functions. Similarly, you can use cmath function. The only difference between math and cmath are the cmath functions are used for complex numbers. Okay, this time I'll change my value to 1 plus 2j. Okay, now I'll run my program. Yeah, it has returned some complex number, right? Now I'll just change this to 0.33, which I have used before. Let us see what it returns. According to my assumption, it must return the same value as it has returned before. But yeah, it has returned the same value, but along with that it has returned a 0j. So all the values which are printed on our console will be in the form of imaginary numbers while using cmath function. Okay, when you want your output to be in the form of imaginary numbers, or if you have your input in the form of imaginary numbers, you can have cmath functions. Okay, in this way we use math and cmath functions, and it's not possible to discuss all the functions, so I'll throw them in the description box. Please go through them and practice them. Okay, you can easily understand them, and if you have any obstacle at any point, please reach me out in the comment section. Thank you. If you like this video, please like it. Also, subscribe my channel, and if you have any Python buddies, please share this video with them. Thank you. Bye bye.